All right, so I have two pairs of AirPods right in front of me. One is fake and one is real. One of them costing 1/10 of the price, and we will see which is better. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventures. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's get right into the video. We got the two AirPods boxes right in front of us right here. Looking at the sides, and the Apple logos looks really similar. A little bit different on the back with no image. All right, opening the two, pulling the pull tabs on the fake, opening that up. All right, and the real. Looks like the real is a little bit smaller than the original. Looking at the two AirPods in the boxes right there. Let's take out the fakes, take a good look at them. All right, so let's unwrap the fakes real quick. Very nice. And then the real, looking at the two side by side. Wow, these look super similar. Let's get into the actual differences. All right, looking at the two cases side by side, they look super duper similar. Like every aspect, all the dimensions of the actual case are spot on, and pretty much everything you notice immediately is pretty much spot on. One of the ways you can actually tell whether one of these is fake versus one of these is real is you can put your thumb here and you try to, there's a little separation right here. You try to put your fingernail through it and you try to open it. See how nothing comes out because it's very adhered. Where on the fake, you open it and you can see right down to the LED, you can see the internals because it's not as well adhered because they don't put quite as much money into it. Next thing to notice is on the back, the gaps around the hinge are a little bit not as perfect. The text looks pretty similar. The one on the original is a little bit more faded. The actual LED is slightly higher on the fake and a little bit smaller than the original. Looks like the indent is pretty spot on. They both do use the lightning charging port to charge. I think another thing to notice is the hinge is not quite as strong as the original. So this one's a little wobbly, see it kind of like bends. Watch this. And I could probably break this for sure. Where the original, it's a lot stronger. And I think that has partly to do with the actual adhesive that keeps this part down as well right here. So that's something to notice too. The snap isn't quite as satisfying either. Okay, I bet that none of you guys can actually tell which AirPods are fake versus real in my ears. And so I'm gonna put them in my ears, and if you can guess which one is the fake and which one is real, I will literally, whoever gets it actually right, I will send them the fake AirPods. I'm gonna do it all in one take so you know I'm not capping. All right, here we go. Okay, first pair right here, okay? Okay, they're my ears. Okay, all right, now, second pair. Here we go. You have to tell me which one is fake and which one is real. And if you get it right, I'll send them to you. You don't believe me? Send me an email right now. That's my email. Money's on the line, all right? All right, so when we get to the buds themselves, this is where things get actually pretty scary. They're so similar that I literally have to pre-plan ahead to know which earbuds go to which ones because I've gotten this one mixed up so many times. They're just so similar. If you look, they match everything. You have the vents on the top, you have the vents on the back, you even have the little metal part on the bottom. Everything is spot on. I'd say maybe one difference is the text underneath the bottom is a little more faded on the original than the clone is a little more printed on there. Other than that, they're the perfect shape. They're spot on for everything. It's like kind of scary how similar they are. Like I would just want you to guess which one you think is fake out of these two. It's crazy how similar they are. All right, so here's the issue. I have too many of these. And these, and these, and these. Like seriously, there's a whole pile of them on my floor over there. And there's like probably 100 more at my house. I wanna give these to my viewers for free, but I don't wanna just be any viewer that's just gonna watch my video and then be done. So my idea, if you join my memberships on my channel, I automatically entered into the giveaway. And if you pay more, you get more drawings into the giveaway. If you don't want free stuff, don't join it. Don't care. But for those of you that are on the ladder that want free stuff, that way I can pay for the shipping to get it to your house and you get free stuff. Join if you want. Okay, another aspect that is absolutely insane about these clones is the fact of the connectivity. Let me just show you how advanced these clones have gotten. So you open the normal case on the normal AirPods, right? It opens and you have them right here. I would delete them and repair them for you, but now with the new iCloud function, it doesn't really let you delete them off of your thing, and it kind of messes up a lot of things, right? You had the little pop-up screen. You go into this actual part and you can adjust every aspect. The touch functions, ear detection, spatial audio, microphone, optimized battery charging, find my, accessibility. You even get the serial number, right? Okay, so that's amazing, great. AirPods, we love them, right? Then we go to the fakes. So you get the same screen that the AirPods have. Click connect, right? And just like that, we get the same little animation at the top. But let's go into this actual menu. So we got the menu right here. We have the battery, we have the case, we have the name. We can change the name. We can adjust spatial audio. We can show how it connects to the phone. And then we even have a serial number. That way you have all the same features as the AirPods. Literally find my spatial audio. So I'm gonna look up the serial number for this fake pair of AirPods. These ones, right? I'll show you right there. For the fake ones, okay? So let's look up the serial number. So serial number is okay, and look, right there, it appears to have a serial number. Looks like I purchased it in August of 2024. Not sure how that's possible. I have Apple Care Plus. So if this thing breaks, hypothetically, I could bring this in and get a new one. You shouldn't do that. That's illegal, obviously. I mean, it's supposed to be illegal somehow, but just don't do that. But you could buy these and then go say they're broken and bring it to Apple Care and they will replace them for you. That's insane. All right, let's check the audio quality of the earbuds and see if the fakes actually sound like the real. So I got the first ones, the real ones in my ears right now. All right, they sound pretty good. These are the fakes, same song. Honestly, they kind of sound the same. Like they literally sound the same. That's it. I take matters in my own hands. All right, I'm gonna do a blind audio test. Catherine here is going to put them in my ears and I have to guess which one is the fake. I'm gonna close my eyes, all right?
Okay.
Not gonna cheat, I just wanna see if I can actually tell, okay?
Okay.
All right, go for it. Okay, next. Okay, I know which ones are fake, the second ones. Yep. Okay, so there is a difference in the audio, and I'd say the main difference is the highs were not as strong. The bass is pretty good, it sounded good, but the highs weren't as pronounced. And so the song was it seemed a little more muffled. But other than that, they sounded really good. Like I was pretty concerned at first because I was really not sure. But they do sound really good. Okay, one thing I want to know is I want to do a shake test. Fake first. Those stayed in my ears. And now for the real. They also stayed in my ears. That hurt my head.
Microphone quality test starting with the fake AirPods. I have the fake AirPods in my ears right now. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. This would be like if you're like on a phone call or anything like that and put some wind noise on the earbuds. So yeah, hopefully you can still hear my voice loud and clear. But these are the fake AirPods. They suck. We'll check the real ones.
All right, now in my ears I have the real AirPods, and this is the amount of quality you can expect from them. I just put in the fake ones. I have no idea how good they were, but now I have the real ones in my ears, and hopefully they sound quite a bit better than the fakes. I mean, they cost 10 times more, so I hope so. But we're going to add some wind noise in there. See if you can still hear my voice through all of that. But yeah, anyways, I mean, if they suck, then both of them suck. Hopefully they don't.